everyone, today I will be unboxing the March Play by Sephora beauty box. And once you open it, there's this brochure that tells you what's inside. And then let's open it. So this usually costs $10 per month. The first item in here is this Bulgari Omnia crystalline perfume. I actually have this perfume and I really like it. It's in the fresh floral scents category, and the top note is lotus blossom and the bottom note is bamboo. So I think it's a really good fresh floral scent for the summer or whenever you'd like to wear it. Okay. Let's go on to the next item. This is the Stila All Day Stay All Day Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner. Okay. Let's swatch this to see the color. It's a black color. Okay. Let's look at the next item. The next item is this Sugar Mint Rush Fresh Lip Treatment. So let's see what this looks like. Okay, so this looks like it's a clear one. It's a clear lip treatment. It looks like the Stila eyeliner is smudging a little bit as well. Okay. Next item is this Detox Clear Dry Shampoo by Dry Bar. It's a cute sample you can try out. Okay. The next item is this NARS liquid lipstick in the color Star Woman. So let's swatch this and see what the color looks like. Looks like a pretty red color. It's a bright red. Okay. I like the formula of these. These are not transfer proof, but they are long lasting. And there's one more item. The last item is this Glam Glow Mega Illuminating Moisturizer. Okay. So you can wear this alone or under foundation, and it's gonna give you that illumination. Has some sparkles in there too. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing, and if you liked it, please like and subscribe. Thank you and have a good day. Bye.